Pokemon card.
Oh my god! Why am I happy? Doubles! No, I got this already. What the? No. Wala na, tayo magtapos ko. So we have Evil Cow. So it's confirmed na mga yung nakalagay dito sa rare cards are legendary Pokemon. So Evil Cow from